Hi everybody, Seth Stearns with Excel Management Systems, coming to you live, well not live, recorded, from Route 71 heading south. I'm on my way to North Carolina, and I've been thinking as I've been driving, you know, we are really passionate about making sure that small to mid-sized businesses are well protected when it comes to cybersecurity. And if you've, we recently completed a video that talked about cybersecurity risk assessment and how what an important first step that is, so that an organization will at least know what their current risk level is, and we'll know what some possible strategies to address that risk level might be. And I'm sitting here thinking that, you know, there may be all sorts of barriers that keep an organization from getting an assessment done. One might be, well, who do we know that can do it? Secondly, it might be, well, it's probably really expensive, and I just don't want to incur the cost, and I'm willing to take a chance. I'm willing to take a chance that we won't get hit with a cyber attack. So, in the spirit of March Madness, I want to make you an offer, and I've been thinking about this for a while now. Here's our offer. For the month of March, we will come in and we will conduct a full-blown cybersecurity risk assessment for free, zero, nada. And now again, and this isn't just some little light assessment. This is the whole shooting match. So it'll be an internal, external vulnerability scan. It will be a network scan. It will be we have a tool that allows us to do a NIST-based, NIST is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, which is kind of the gold standard as it relates to cybersecurity risk assessments. So we'll come in and we'll do a full-blown risk assessment. And then we're going to deliver the results of that assessment to you along with our recommendations. Now, what you might be thinking is, yeah, I know how this works. You're going to do this free assessment. Nothing's really free. And then you're going to be calling me every damn day wanting to follow up and sell me something. So here's what I want to say to you about that, is that this free assessment is not part of a sales cycle. It is. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to do the assessment. We are going to deliver the results to you along with our recommendations, and you will not hear from me again unless you call with any questions or follow-up questions or concerns. So when I say free, I mean free. And now, why are we doing this? We're doing it because this is so damn important. That's why we're doing it. It is so important that the small to mid-sized businesses assess what their current level of risk is, and then have some sort of roadmap or strategy to address that. We are so convinced that is incredibly important, that I want to eliminate, at least for the month of March, I want to eliminate any barriers that an organization might have to get this done. So you know who does it, that's us. You know how much it's going to cost, zero. Now it's just a matter of either calling or emailing us to get it scheduled. Our contact information is down below in the contact section of the video. No obligation, no risk, just good, solid information with some recommendations, and then you do with it what you will. But at least you'll know. At least you'll know. So give it some thought. If you have any questions about it, feel free to contact us. But that's the deal. March Madness, full-blown cybersecurity risk assessment at the grand total of zero. If you'd be interested, give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Bye.